This presentation will tackle the two types of cell division, the meiosis and mitosis. The students dressed in green will act as the plasma membrane, while students dressed in red will be the nuclei. On the other hand, those who are in blue will be the centrioles. And lastly, those dressed in yellow will represent the chromosomes. And through this color coding technique, it will easily portray and present the parts and processes of cell division without bringing any confusions to the mind of the people who will watch this presentation. Have you ever looked down on your leg or even to your arm to find some cut and have no idea how fast it healed after days? Or let's say you were looking in the mirror and obviously you're a lot taller than you were younger. How is this possible? One major thing that makes this possible is the process called mitosis. It is a type of cell division done by body cells producing identical cells. And now, let's get right into the stages of mitosis, which includes the following: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Mitosis begins with prophase. In this stage, the chromosomes condense and thicken. The nucleus will then disassemble. Now we move into metaphase. The spindle fibers from centrioles will elongate and the chromosomes will line up in the middle of the cell. After this stage is the anaphase. During anaphase, the chromosomes will be pulled away by the spindle fibers towards the pole of the cells. Then we end mitosis with telophase, wherein two nuclei will form, surrounding chromosomes on each side. Cytokinesis follows, splitting the cytoplasm, and it becomes obvious that you will end mitosis with two new cells. And again, remember, these cells are identical body cells, and mitosis ends with two cells with 46 chromosomes each. Have you ever wondered how two siblings can have the same parent but still look different? Well, the cell division meiosis makes that happen. Meiosis is a process that contributes to genetic variety. It does not contribute on making body cells. Instead, it is responsible for the production of sperm and egg cells, otherwise known as gametes, which only have 23 chromosomes. Meiosis undergoes two divisions, which is also subdivided into 4 stages each. Are you excited to find out? So let's dive right in. The first division includes the following: the prophase 1, the metaphase 1, the anaphase 1, and the telophase 1. So let's start with the prophase 1. This is where the chromosomes condense and thicken. The nucleus will disappear, and it is during this stage where an amazing process occurs, which is also known as the crossing over. Chromosomes lined up with their homologous pairs and transfer their genetic information and exchange it with each other. Now we move into metaphase 1. In metaphase 1, spindle fibers from centrioles will elongate and the chromosomes will line up in the middle of the cell. After this stage is the anaphase 1. During anaphase 1, the chromosomes will be pulled away by the spindle fibers. Then we end the first division with telophase 1, wherein you will have two newly formed nuclei. Cytokinesis follows, splitting the cytoplasm, and it becomes obvious that you will end meiosis 1 with two new cells. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's proceed to meiosis 2. The first step starts with prophase 2. The nucleus disappear and the spindle fibers start to form. In metaphase 2, same process occurs with metaphase 1. The spindle fibers from centrioles will elongate and the chromosomes will line up in the middle of the cell. Same with anaphase 1. Anaphase 2, the chromosomes will be pulled away by the spindle fibers in opposite direction. In telophase 2, you can see the nuclei reforming. The 2 cells will divide and 4 cells will be formed. Cytokinesis will follow to completely split the cytoplasm. Now keep in mind that meiosis in males produces sperm cells, and in females, it produces egg cells.